Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you a unique AI template which will be very useful for your research paper writing and also analyze your data. So this AI template will be very helpful for you. No other AI tool is offering this kind of AI template. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI template for your academic purpose. For that, go to lmssolution.net.in. On this, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So you can just click on this LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates, especially designed for research paper writing and academic purpose. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called Chat with Excel. So you may come across different kinds of template called Chat with PDF, Chat with Word file. So what is the need for Chat with Excel? So if you're having a large amount of data, or if you're having a large amount of text by detailed comparison of different kinds of methods or detailed analysis of data. So if you want to ask any questions related with that data in order to analyze that respective data, so you need an AI template. So this is the AI template discovered for you to analyze the Excel sheets. So you can just upload the Excel sheet and you can ask any questions you want related with that respective Excel sheet. We will analyze that Excel sheet and it will give you a perfect content for your research paper writing and also any assignments, any data analysis, whatever you want, you can use that. Just click on this Chat with Excel template. So in this Chat with Excel template, so this is the dashboard of this Chat with Excel template. So in this you will be having an option called Choose File. So just click on Choose File. So here I am having a Excel sheet. I am going to upload this Excel sheet called MPPT. So before that, I will show you what is present in that respective MPPT file. Go to downloads. So here I am having the Excel sheet. So this Excel sheet comprises of different MPPT methods and their tracking, speed, steady state values, efficiency, complexity, and the response due to partial shading condition, and what is the percentage of ripple. So these are the things, these are the data present in them. So for example, this will be a less amount of data, only up to 10 methods. So if you are having 100 odd methods or 100 odd different kinds of data, so it is complex to analyze that respective data. So in order to analyze that large number of data, you can use that option. So in order to show you a demo, so I am going to use this Excel sheet. So first process is to just upload that Excel sheet. So just click on upload. So it will take several seconds and your Excel sheet will be uploaded. So here comes our tab. So related with that respective Excel sheet, you can ask any questions you want. So I am going to ask like this: which method is better during partial shading conditions? Like that, I am going to give an input. So just to click on send. It will analyze that respective Excel sheet and grasp and take all the data from the Excel sheet. It will analyze and give you a perfect conclusion for you. So here comes the outcome. So based on the data in the document, so these are the different methods so we are using. Based on that, it will be giving summary. So from this ranking, it is evident that cuckoo search optimization, whale optimization are the best methods during partial shading condition. So both are rated as excellent. In summary, the optimal performance during partial shading, CSO and WO methods are recommended due to their excellent response capabilities. So this is how it will analyze the content from that respective Excel sheets, and it will provide a perfect statement or perfect inference from that respective Excel sheet based upon the questions what you have asked for. So this is how you can use this template in order to analyze your Excel sheet. And also you can see these are the possible research questions you can ask in this respective Excel sheet itself. How does the computational complexities of CSO and WOA methods compare in real world application? So if you want to ask the question, you can copy this. So you can paste here and you can just click on send. Like that, whatever the questions related with that respective Excel sheet, you can ask whatever you want. AI will analyze and it will give perfect answer for you. Only thing is that it must be related with them data what you have added, whether it may be a PDF or Excel. In this template, we are using Excel sheets. So here comes the result related with the question what you have asked for. So the computational complexities of CSO and WA methods are categorized as high. So what are the general insights on computational complexity for both different methods? It will be given a statement. So and then how it will be in real world applications. The comparison statements also will be given, and also a detailed conclusion will be given. This will be very helpful for you to make a data analysis just by uploading your Excel sheet and get a perfect and precise answer for your research question, and get all your research question answered using just by using this AI template. So this is all about this chat with Excel. So this is, as I have already told, this is a unique template. No other AI tool is offering this chat with Excel sheets. So you can upload whatever the Excel sheet you want, which is having numerous data, and ask any questions you want. AI will analyze and give you a precise answer for you. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, you can just click on plans and pricing. For just 199, so you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month, and you can get one plagiarism and AI report per plan. The important thing is that you can have unlimited access for all our LMS AI template. And the next is that best value premium pack, 999. So you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 year, and you can get 12 plagiarism and 12 AI report per plan. Important thing is that so you can get unlimited access for 1 year, and also we will be adding all new AI templates especially designed for research paper writing by every month, so you can make use of that templates also. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you want to make your research paper writing simple and data analysis simple, go on and explore this LMS AI template. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.